So today we've organised a bespoke workshop session delivered by Lotus covering the fundamentals of lean manufacturing. The purpose of lean manufacturing is all around continuous improvement cultures within organisations, so we're hoping that our businesses that attended can take away principles, processes, theories, implement it in their businesses to increase throughput, reduce product costs, reduce defects and hopefully improve customer satisfaction.
So today we've decided to run a lean manufacturing workshop for some of the local businesses around the area in Norfolk to show them exactly how we do our improvements, what courses we can run in the future, and how that can help them as they move forward with their businesses. So the key takeaways that we're hoping that the delegates can take away from today's session is we did a lot of work around some of the basic fundamentals of lean. So we talked about 5 whys, how you drill down to understand what that root cause is. So when you fix a problem, it goes away and it doesn't come back, essentially. We also did some work around the 5S, so understanding that inventory is not always a good thing because that takes management and you have to understand how you work that management and the time it will take. And we also looked around some of the DMAIC processes, so defining, measuring, analysing, improving and controlling some projects as they go forward.
So the importance of continuous improvement in our factory and every factory is basically not resting on your laurels. I think there's always better ways to do everything, and the industry changes, there's so much more to do in access. So yeah, you'd be leaving stuff on the table if you don't.
At Agile, we continuously monitor operations or manufacturing process because what we want to do is we want to make sure everything is being run as lean as possible. We don't want wasted time because that just leads to inefficiencies, late deliveries and costs to the company. Currently, we're looking at an ERP system because that's one area that we know that we can really improve on. So we want to really bring the company up to top technology standards.
So the key takeaways from today's event for me were to learn some of the theory behind some of the methodology and techniques used, particularly in a larger company, and then choose the parts that are the most relevant probably to apply to our smaller growing business so that we're ahead of the game and so that problems occur less frequently.